My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I...
Hello all beloved students, welcome back to the second session, and right now teacher believes that you guys finished your breakfast already. Alright, good. So according to our schedule for the second session, we are going to learn from Blueprint 3. Okay, so yeah, for Blueprint 3, right now teacher believes that you guys have Blueprint book in your hand already. So okay, so before we start with this topic, to make sure that you already on page 27. Okay, let's open your book to page 27, then you will see the topic that we are going to learn for today. So the main topic for today, we are going to learn about grammar, part C, grammar, and maybe, perhaps, and probably. Right, for this video, teacher will tell you exactly how to use probably, maybe, and perhaps in the sentences. Alright, good, everyone. So before teacher teach you about this topic, teacher ask you something regarding to what we have learned so far in the previous video. Everyone who can tell me what have we learned in the previous video. So in the previous video we have learned about some vocabulary in lesson 3, right? No, in lesson 4, and also we have learned about superlative adjectives. So how do we use superlative adjective in the sentences? Superlative adjective, we use it to talk about something super or lower of quality, right? To use it, you have to remember the important points. First is about one syllable, an adjective ending in y, the adjectives that have two or more syllables, and irregular adjectives. So for one syllable, for example, the adjective hot, so hot. So when we use in superlative adjective, you have to add est to an adjective, so become hottest. The adjective that have one syllable, we have to add est to that adjective. Example, like hot, like okay, cheap, right? Hot, cheap. All of these adjectives that have one syllable, we have to add est to an adjective. For the adjective that end with y, they end with y, like example, happy, okay. Happy, okay. When we use it in superlative adjective, we have to add iest, right? Change y to change y to iest, okay. Now you got this. For the adjective, then example like the word happy, easy, like the word pretty, right? All of these words that ends in y, so we have to change y into iest, like it will become happiest, easiest, and prettiest, right? Good, everyone. Next, two or more syllables. For the adjectives that have two or more syllables, like example, expensive, difficult, beautiful, right? All of these adjectives, we have to add the most plus an adjective. We have to add most before an adjective that have two or more syllables. Alright? Good. For the adjective, like irregular adjective, we have for the irregular adjective, it changed from the first word to another word. So like the word bad or good, the word good it changed to based, and bad to worst, far to farther. Okay, for the irregular adjective. So, to sum up, when we use superlative adjective in a sentence, you have to remember these important points. Right? Good. Now finish with the review and let's move to our main topic for today. So, to make sure that now you are on page 27 already, part C, grammar section. We are going to study about maybe, perhaps, and probably. How do we use perhaps and maybe and probably in the sentences? In this video I have answer, so please stick around. Okay, so perhaps maybe is used when something or someone else is uncertain or not sure in chance that happened 40 to 60 or less than, right? Happened or less than. Alright, everyone, look at example all together to make sure that we can catch up with this point well. So I am going to the beach this weekend. Perhaps, maybe you can come with me. Okay, so it chance happen 42 to 60% only that you will come with me. You got this? The chance that happened only 40 to 60%. Again, perhaps and maybe is used when something or someone is uncertain or not sure. So chance happens only 40 to 60%. Good. Everyone, let's see the next example. Maybe, perhaps with we will see you at the party. Okay, so perhaps you will use perhaps and maybe its meanings are the same. All right, the same meaning, the same usage. You got this? And look at this again. We will see you at the party. So chance happened only 40 to 60% only. Right, good everyone. Let's move to next. Probably. For the probably means that there is good chance of something happening. Good chance of something happening from 50 to 90% happened. For example, I am probably going to the beach this weekend. Right, so means I will go because chance happened 50 to 90% already, so it will happen. Got this? Let's see number 2. It is probably going to rain on Sunday. No, on Saturday. So on Saturday, it's going to rain, right? Because we use probably, it means that the chance will happen 50 to 90%. Means for sure. Got this? Okay, good. So before we finish this video, let's teach you some of what we have learned for today. Okay. So today we review about superlative adjective. So how do we use superlative adjective? Superlative adjective we use to talk about something upper or lower or quality. Okay. When we use it in sentences, you have to note about some important points. So the first is about one syllable. We have to add est to an adjective, and adjective ending in y. So adjective ending in y, we have to change y to iest to an adjective. For the adjective, they have 2 or more syllables. We have to add most before an adjective. Example, like the verb beautiful, expensive, difficult. All this adjective have more than 2, have entered 3 syllables. So we have to add most. But when we use in superlative adjective, we have to add the most, the best, right? The hottest, the easiest, right? We have to add the. All right, everyone, good. So irregular adjective. For the irregular adjective, we change from the first word to to another words like good to best, and bad to worst, and far to farther, right? Not only this word, but they have more than this. Good, everyone. Now, for today's topic, we learned about grammar section, maybe, perhaps, and probably. For the perhaps, perhaps it used to talk about something unsure or uncertain, and chance that happen can be 40 to 60% chance happened. And probably means that there is a good chance of something happening. And chance happened 50% to 90%. It's for sure will happen. Okay, good. So now our video is come to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and nice to see you tomorrow, everyone. Don't be forget to submit your documents to teachers, like homework, classwork also. Good, everyone. Goodbye.